one. Wait a minute. What does it look like to you, Becca?
A pepper?
Yeah, but it kinda looks like...
Chacho! Woof, woof, woof. Aww.
So cool from my window.
Almost Way. Streaming free now on PBS Kids.
I love playing games with my favorite PBS Kids friends, like Wildcrafts.
Or the smaller Denali game.
My little brother loves driving Daniel Tiger's trolley.
The PBS Kids Games app.
Download it now. PBS Kids.
What is that? It was so beautiful.
And by viewers like you.
Between them is where they live.
What do you want to be?
World Turtle Day isn't just for turtles, it's for tortoises too. The difference between them is where they live. A tortoise lives on land. Turtles live near and in the water. PBS Kids salutes World Turtle Day and tortoises.
Peppery. Very.